Discipline is the key to success. It's the foundation upon which all other achievements are built. Without discipline, even the most talented individuals can fall short of their potential. It's the driving force that keeps you moving forward, even when the going gets tough. Discipline is not just about working hard, it's about working smart and staying focused on your goals. It's about making the right choices, even when they're not the easiest ones. It's about consistency, perseverance, and the will to keep pushing forward, no matter what obstacles come your way. Here are 5 habits to build unshakable discipline in your life. First, set clear goals. Without clear goals, you're like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly. Clear goals give you a sense of direction and purpose. They help you stay focused and motivated. When you know what you're working toward, it's easier to stay disciplined. Write down your goals and review them regularly. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make them less overwhelming and more achievable. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Know what you're working toward. Visualize your goals and keep them in the forefront of your mind. Create a vision board or a list of your goals and place it somewhere you can see it every day. This will serve as a constant reminder of what you're working toward and help you stay focused and motivated. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. When you can see your goals clearly, it's easier to stay disciplined and take the necessary steps to achieve them. Clear goals give you direction and keep you focused. Follow a routine. A structured day eliminates distractions and helps you stay consistent with your tasks. Having a routine helps you develop good habits and break bad ones. It creates a sense of order and predictability, which can reduce stress and increase productivity. Plan your day the night before and stick to your schedule as much as possible. This will help you stay on track and make the most of your time. Remember, consistency is key to building discipline. A structured day eliminates distractions and helps you stay consistent with your tasks. Eliminate temptations. Create an environment that supports your goals by removing distractions like social media or junk food. Identify the things that tempt you and find ways to avoid them. For example, if you're trying to eat healthier, remove junk food from your home. If you're trying to be more productive, turn off notifications on your phone and computer. The fewer distractions you have, the easier it will be to stay focused and disciplined. Create an environment that supports your goals by removing distractions like social media or junk food. Track your progress. Measure your success daily or weekly. Keeping track of your progress can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. It can also help you identify areas where you need to improve. Use a journal, a planner, or an app to track your progress. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how slow. Measure your success daily or weekly. Seeing progress motivates you to keep going. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or mentor who can hold you accountable. Having someone to check in with can help you stay on track and motivated. It can also provide you with valuable feedback and support. Find someone who shares your goals or has achieved what you're working toward. This can be a friend, a family member, a mentor, or a coach. Accountability can be a powerful tool for building discipline. Seeing progress motivates you to keep going. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or mentor who can hold you accountable. Having someone to check in with can help you stay on track and motivated. It can also provide you with valuable feedback and support. Find someone who shares your goals or has achieved what you're working toward. This can be a friend, a family member, a mentor, or a coach. Accountability can be a powerful tool for building discipline. Share your goals with a friend or mentor who can hold you accountable. External accountability builds internal discipline. When you know someone else is counting on you, it's easier to stay disciplined. It's not just about letting yourself down, it's about letting someone else down. This can be a powerful motivator. Find someone who will hold you to your commitments and help you stay on track. Remember, discipline is not something you're born with, it's something you develop over time with practice and perseverance. External accountability builds internal discipline. Practice these habits daily and watch your life transform. Discipline is not a one-time thing, it's a daily practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. It's like a muscle that gets stronger with use. The more disciplined you are, the more you'll achieve. So start today and keep going. You have the power to change your life. All it takes is a little discipline and a lot of determination. Practice these habits daily and watch your life transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and living a more disciplined, fulfilling life. Remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving the success you've always dreamed of. So take the first step today and start building the discipline habits that will change your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Your journey to a more disciplined life starts now. Embrace these habits, stay committed, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.